Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to be doing an unboxing today. Can anybody guess what I'm going to unbox? The new Apple Watch. Can you see it? The new Apple Watch Series 5. So let's open it up and see what we got. I'm so excited. My amazing husband got this for me. Okay, let's see. This is my first ever Apple Watch. I've never had one before. So, let's open it up. Okay, I'm not familiar with this packet. Oh, they are very fancy. Oh, it's a cute little package. You guys see all the little stuff that's in here? That is so cute. Too bad I'm never going to use this thing again. So cute though. Great packaging. You ready? I think this is the band. I got the pink band. The pink sport brand. Such nice packaging. Okay, this has some instructions on here. We'll get 2 bands. What is that? Oh, maybe, oh, okay, they have the medium and large, and then the small, medium, and medium large. I think I'll probably take the small because my wrists are kind of small, and I don't really like watches hanging off if I wear that one. Okay, now time for the watch. Nothing. This was designed by Apple in California. So this is the actual watch. I got the 44 mm. It comes in this cute little suede packet. Isn't it so cute? Okay, now I gotta really figure out how to work this thing. Oh, it's coming on. Look. Okay. While that comes on, I'm gonna see what else is in here. Oh, this is instructions on how to put it together. Definitely gonna need that. I think that's everything on that part. And then I believe this is a charging station. I think you just sit it on there. So, of course it's dead. Low battery to continue connect Apple Watch to its charger. So I'll have to charge it. I'm so excited. I'm not even sure how this thing works. I'm not trying to break it. So obviously you cannot charge this on a regular iPhone charger. You have to have this thingy. I guess you sit it on here. Oh, it's a magnet. Okay, you sit it on there and I guess it charges. I just gotta figure out how to get this thing out of this box without breaking it. Okay. I don't know if I want to take this little plastic thing off yet. So I'm going to charge it. And then I'm going to connect it to my phone and see how it works.